guys, welcome back. So today, well, in this video, we're gonna be decorating the nursery, and it's over the past few weeks. It wasn't necessarily in one day. We're doing little bits and pieces here and there, so I tried to capture as much as I could, and I'm gonna walk you through how we're gonna decorate the nursery from start to finish, show you how it ends up, and I will come back after this video and do an organize with me video of the nursery where I show you like inside the drawers and how to organize them in the closet and all of that. So stay tuned for the video. It's coming soon after this one. And if you're new here, my name is Angel. I love to have you part of the family, so don't forget to subscribe, as well as if you enjoyed this video, I love for you to give me a thumbs up. So we're gonna start with all the things that I bought. I'm gonna show you what we bought, where we bought it from, you know, and we'll go from there. So as a quick update, I am currently 35 weeks when you guys are watching this. Yeah, baby boy is coming soon. So yep, let's get to decorating baby boy's nursery. All right guys, so decorating, look at all the stuff I got. I'm gonna go through and show you guys what all I got, but just look at this, all the stuff we bought for decorating purposes. We're gonna go through all this and you guys are gonna get to decorate with me. Oh my, this is a pillow from at home and a few paintings from at home. Let me show you. This is our little MVP. This is little man cave, which is so totally cute. Here we have some hangers that we're gonna use in the closet. So for the closet, I'm gonna come back and do an organization video after this one. So this one, I'm just gonna do the decorate the nursery with me, and then I'll come back and do an organization where I show you like the closet and all of that. Okay. We got a little baby chair. It's actually a rocking chair that we picked up from Ross. Got the baby book, storage box bins that are actually gonna go on these cabinets here. Got a hamper from TJ Maxx, and the one thing I was looking for was a hamper with a lid, first off, to keep smells in, and then a washable liner so that, you know, when it needs to be washed, it can be washed, you know. So, but yeah, and then we got baskets and we got curtains. These curtains came from Walmart, so they're blue curtains. Lots of storage bins, some from Ross. Oh, all these from Ross actually. And Ross baskets are pretty inexpensive. Like, look at this. I'll show you the price if I can get it to focus. See, this big old one's $5.99. And then like these, this one was $3.99. That one's $2.99. I have another one down there. But Ross bins are very, very inexpensive compared to other stores. These bins came from Target. Most of these big ones will go in the closet. I'm gonna do an organize with me, so stay tuned for that. And some more cube boxes. Show you how they look. That's how they are. And those will go in some of the cubes and other things. And then this came from TJ? No, Home Goods. That came from Home Goods. And the mirror came from Ross. I don't know if I said that already, but oh, and I forgot about this one. This painting was Welcome to My Crib. It's so cute. This came from, I think it was Home Goods. Oh no, actually it came from Hobby Lobby, and it was 50% off. All right, so let's get to decorating. If you guys remember, I showed you this design layout I did a few months ago, initially kind of how I wanted the nursery to look. So we're gonna see if we could get close to it. So you guys may remember this accent wall we put in from one of my previous nursery decor videos, phase 1 I believe. So I wanted to go ahead and add some stars to this wall, just the top of it. And these stars I actually got from Amazon, and I'll leave a link below if you're interested in them. I'm so sorry the room is a little dark. We were having issues with our light, but we got it fixed later on in the video. It brightens up. So now just adding the mattress and mattress pattern sheets. So this mattress is a Newton mattress, and it has super high reviews, and if you're interested, I'll leave a link below to as much as I can in my description box. And so we're just adding the mattress pad on top of the mattress. It's a waterproof mattress pad. And then we're just gonna top it with some sheets that are washed. So if you're interested in where we got the crib from and all our big ticket items like the chair and all of that, I'll leave all of that information in the description box. So be sure to check that out. The welcome to my crib sign, I decided to put over here, like right above the chair. I just love the sign. I think it's still totally cute. And so this blue and white blanket I got from Overstock. I'm just gonna add it here to the chair, as well as that navy blue pillow from At Home. And then above the crib, we have the little sign, our little MVP. I decided to put here, and then below it is gonna actually be our baby's name in white letters. So stay tuned for that. So I found these curtain rods from Ross for $9.99, and it was a 2-pack. And they're actually like a darker gray. So we're gonna use these to put on the window there with the curtains from Walmart. And these were like $9 or $10 as well. So for installing the curtains, I had already done my measurements previously. So now I'm just screwing in the curtain rods holder and then putting the curtains on the rod. Now I'm gonna come back and steam these curtains a little later, but for video purposes, I want to go ahead and get them up just to see how the room's gonna look. Now I will say on camera it looks like it's crooked, but actually my camera was crooked doing a lot of this shooting. Sorry about that, I apologize. But a lot of times when you're shooting and filming and doing everything yourself, you can't catch everything. So it looks crooked, but it's not. So for the curtains, I just tied them with some navy blue ribbon that I had on hand. And I previously had this lamp already on hand from my storage closet, so it was perfect to add to the nursery. And I decided to put the 3-part paintings up here on this wall over here above the changing station. And I always tell you guys I use thumbtacks for most of my paintings, especially if they're light and can hold it. It just does less damage to the wall, and you don't have super big holes in the wall. They're easy to move. I just love thumbtacks. It's one of my favorite things to use in all my homes. And so yep, I'm measuring the spaces apart and hanging these. Again, it looks kind of crooked on camera, but my camera was actually crooked on the stand and I didn't notice it until I was editing. So again, I apologize. But I just love this painting that says, "You're braver than you believe, stronger than you think, more loved than you know." Absolutely love these 3 paintings, so cute. So I'm gonna add this little blue and white basket over here from Ross, and this is gonna be my diaper changing station. So I'm gonna add all my diaper gear to it. Not in this video per se, but it's gonna be right here. And I put this hand sanitizer in it, but I'll add everything later in my organizing video. And over here in the corner, right beside it, I'm going to put my diaper genie that's in gray, as well as this gray hamper that I got from HomeGoods. Love it, love it, love it. So everything is right there. The little man cave sign I decided to put over here on the side wall over here. And then as far as the nightstand, I pulled this lamp from the laundry room. I don't know if you guys remember that from that video. It changes colors, it's super cool. And then I added the white noise machine as well as the bottle warmer right here, so that is easy access. And then the chair that I told you guys that we found, I put this right here beside the nightstand, which works perfect. And then I put a basket right here beside the crib and the chair, and all of his books are gonna go in there. So when we do our reading, you know, he has his chair, we have our chair, and the books are easily accessible, and even he can get them out and choose which book he wants to read. So love it. Now, I got these from a gift from one of my housewarmings, and so I'm going to use these. They're like leaves hooks for the wall, to hang on walls, to hang things on. I'm going to add them here to this wall, and I'm going to use these command strips so that I don't puncture holes in my wall. And I use command strips a lot too, and they are perfect. They can hold up to 20 pounds, so I will be adding things like the diaper bag and blankets, you know, just easy access things that I need on these hooks. And because they're silver, they match the room perfectly. And then on the crib, I'm adding these handmade blankets that I absolutely love. They are so gorgeous. Of course, I'm not going to remove the blankets when the baby gets here. You know, nothing's going to be in the crib for the newborn. We know that. But this is for decor purposes only right now. And I love these blankets. And I actually plan on selling them in my store soon. So stay tuned for that. And if you have not checked out my store, guys, head there. I have tons of printables in there. And I have a lot of things coming soon. So I'll make sure you give it a check out. So on this side over here, this is going to be the toy storage area and these storage cabinets. On top of it, I just added this sign from Hobby Lobby and a plant from Ross and this baby fun money holder for the baby that is stocked by his grandmother already. And I decided to come back later on and add a basket for some easy access things. And the baby book, also from Hobby Lobby, and a humidifier. And then above here, I found this cute vinyl sticker from Amazon, and I'll leave a link for it below. And it says, Daddy's Boy in My Music World, and it's so totally cute. It's just a vinyl sticker for the wall. It peels right off, so you're not damaging your walls. It's just an easy accessory to add to walls. I've done these before. I had them in my laundry room video, which I love those things in there. So it just adds a little nice touch to the wall. And it's not crooked again, guys. Sorry about that. It's my camera, but you'll see that it's not crooked. And that's how it looks. Now for this area beside it, this is going to be technically his learning area. I have a mirror above here, which I'm going to come back and secure later, but this is for when he starts to pull himself up, he can start to see himself. It's kind of like a Montessori method kind of remix. But then in the cube, it's going to actually be toys in there. I just got storage bins in there for now, but as he goes to crawling, I'm going to pull those out and he'll have access to toys so he can learn to be independent. On the wall here, I'm adding more stickers. These are a mixture of sports and music stickers because we are a lover of both, and he already loves music. Oh my god, he loves music in my stomach already. Like, he jumps around all day long with music. And then he's definitely athletic because the first ultrasound we did, he was in there doing crunches, guys. Crunches, the doctor said it, and boxing. No joke, guys. Literally, she zoomed in and showed us his muscle definition, and she was like, do you guys see his muscle definition? So I guess every time we exercise, he exercises. So he's definitely an active child. Okay guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the nursery, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop me a comment and say hello, and also keep a lookout for the organizing the nursery and how we're going to organize the nursery. And I'll see you guys in my next video.